Idiani yes igene kore ya ya si me woma. Idiani yes igene koba ya si me woma. Ọba Tokpe he said Egwawese. Thank you, my brothers and my sisters across the world, my Benin brothers and my Benin sisters across the world. My name remains Elder Comrade Curtis Ewusa Ugbo. I am here today again to let you know that some of our Benin brothers abroad are not doing well. Last night I saw a news on ITV when one Uyi Osunde was dissociating himself from that imbecile they call monkey face. Orionba, Orienwo, a monkey face. How can you go to ITV and be measuring an enemy of the Oba of Benin, an enemy of Benin Kingdom? I want to ask you, Uyi Osunde, you and your so-called Edo Union in Germany, what have you people done? All this while, that idiot have been insulting your father. What have you people done? That young man, the bastard, have been insulting your royal father for many years. For more than 2 years now, if I'm not mistaken. What have you people done? You are running to Benin to come and dissociate yourself from him? Don't you see that you are a coward? Don't you see that you don't know what you are doing? You are in Germany. What have you done? I'm not saying you should go and fight him physically. Why can't you take a legal action against him? I even learned he's an immigrant without papers. Don't you know what to do? Don't you know what to do legally? Don't you know how to do a peaceful protest to the embassy or to the councillor? Write to the councillor that there is a nuisance in your midst, insulting your royal father. And you have not done anything. You are running to Benin to come and address the press that you are dissociating yourself from him. I'm so disappointed at you. Really, really disappointed. I'm using this media to call all our Benin brothers and sisters in that group they call Edo Union. You people should dissociate yourself from that union. It is not what a union. Because a union that really mean well for your own interest, for your people, will not be so quiet and dormant and allow one miscreant, one idiot to be insulting your royal father. They have not done anything all this while, and they are running to Benin to come and do eye service. They want to come and do cheap popularity. They want to come and claim ignorance of all the atrocities that idiots have been constituting in the social media. My brothers, my sisters, I'm not happy this morning with what I saw yesterday. I'm really pissed off. But by the grace of God, that young man, the gods of the land and the pillar of fire of God will consume that young man, because he do not mean well for Benin Kingdom. Only over what you are, we know there. We made a video, I mean a press release in it. Uyi Osunde, on my way say at all. How can you do that? Uyi Osunde, please. Next time you want to do anything, take advice from people. You can't just run to the press and be using you're rubbishing our great kingdom in the presence of the world. With that refrat they call a monkey face. How can you do that? So when they get on my Agbeda you be see our who really are why are team and Agbina, what have you done? What have you done? Somebody will slap your father in your presence. What will you do? You will run to the house first. Somebody is insulting your kingdom. You are running to Benin to come and dissociate yourself. Are you not ashamed of yourself? We are Benins. We are born warriors. We don't fear war. What is wrong with you? How can you do that? running to Benin to come and dissociate yourself from an idiot. I'm highly disappointed. So my brothers and my sisters, even in time a group only ní àti Edo Union wa dissociate buwa yin. Group no ma. Imagine we benefit wa. You understand? So wa dissociate buwa yin. And at the same time, Uyi Osunde, a sheep popularity mu Gwalomi, a sheep popularity and eye service, busybody press statement only. Go and refute it. Go and refute it. Or else Benin Solidarity Movement will take it up on you. You don't do that. How can you? Please. Amana Cheboni ra this yawe. Who the leg bina? Amana gbeda this yawe. Who see who le ariwa ya timari. Who ka gbina ne? Ami enuwe who ka gbina ne? Adege enuwe who ke ajo wa awe hen u yae. Ede ya gbina. That is a Benin man for you. That is how a Benin man behave. Ama Cheboni ruwa with Germany wa related to dissociate from him. Is that how to behave? What have you done in Germany? A one-man protest you can do a one-man protest. Uyi Osunde Metana Wemegwana. You can do a one-man protest to the embassy, to the consular, the chancellor of Germany. You can do that. You are running running to Benin to come and do a press statement dissociating yourself from him. What is wrong with you? My brothers and my sisters, like I'm so pissed off, you know. So even in a year, you understand? Oba he said, thank you very much, thank you everybody. Oba, thank you. Thank you very much. Cut it off.